So they haven't taken it. That still needs taking in my opinion. Let's check some other exchanges. What have we got? See if any did actually take out. Okay, Bybit did. Bybit's the only one. Interesting. Hello, Jocko, mate. Let's see what we've got then. Alert still set, not gone off yet. What I was hoping for was to raid the lows and then obviously pull this to wherever it came to. Look for longs on sweep and boss. Target a premium. We've got a nice daily imbalance after taking previous month low. Let's see, shall we? Fair value gap. Nice big daily imbalance. This was my initial plan. If we purge sell side, then we would obviously, this would be our new high, daily high, but yeah, if we can take that, I'd like a return to premium. Take previous, obviously that won't be previous week high by the time we get there, but.
Hello?
Hello, mate. I was hoping that we would run these highs before coming for these lows, but we didn't get it. We do.
Yeah, I wanted to have a short up there, but yeah, we didn't make it.
Yeah. But there's no reason why, once we take out these lows, we can't run back up to there before coming back for a new low. So we're looking at.
We have an entire month for the next news, so it's possible.
Yeah, if we look at the structure, man, like that's the last price swing. Like that would be our last full daily price swing, but I wouldn't expect.
Yeah, but to remain bearish, we cannot take 20 to 800.
Yep. Well, that's the last daily swing high. If we set a new low, this would be our last daily high. This would be our last pivot point, our strong high. As obviously this was our low. This is the highest high, and then we would have a new low, but we would have to obviously take that out. But again, like structurally, I think that is about as, yeah. If we could get back up to there, obviously Bybit have taken these lows. FTX haven't, Binance haven't, obviously 8cap haven't. So we've got the daily imbalance up there. I'm just waiting for people to join. But yeah, like that would be so nice. We've got like we'd have a fair bit of liquidity above there. That would maintain the bearish structure. Come down for new lows. That could be the one that sends us down to finally take the 17.5. Contemplation. Because I know we've obviously got untagged weekly pivot. This is on 8 cap though, so just check on, because we did come close to it, so weekly pivot naked on Binance. Bybit. Yeah, naked. We didn't tag on any exchange then, did we really? Unless it was FTX, we did. No, none of them. That's okay then. But we came close enough, so I'm not really bothered about pivots anyway. But yeah, that's really what I'm looking for now. Obviously, you can't be shorting down here. It's way too late. I think if you're not short and we don't run out these lows, then obviously retests could give shorts, but I think the better short would be if we were to take our previous week high. What day are we on? Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So it likely wouldn't be in the next 2 days. YOLO. Yeah, not yet. I'd rather see all exchanges clear out sell side. We seem to have only Bybit have taken it, so I'd rather see more take. Oh wow, I didn't see that. That was nice. That was on CPI then. Yeah.
We could have a nice reverse head and shoulders on a daily. Like drop to 16k maybe, then up, then down, and then up.
Reverse head and shoulders, sir.
Maybe if you make a new low.
What is that? What's a head and shoulders?
Okay.
Yeah, I'd be a lot happier if we took the low on all exchanges. Like give us that low, and then can decide from there. If you're not short already, then like I say, then you've missed it. I haven't traded crypto for 3 weeks, I think, 2-3 weeks. But that would be the ideal scenario for me going forward. Proper takeout sell side, give us a break of structure with displacement. I'd probably look for longs back up to a premium. Like I said, that imbalance is too nice to. That's a really nice imbalance, and the fact that it's just above all these highs, it would be an obvious target. Obviously, once you break previous month low, if we come back into the range, then target a daily fair value gap at previous month premium. That would be an ideal setup. I would look for longs. That's the only way I'd look for longs. Let's check out. Is this 8 cap? Yeah. Oh, wow. Okay. So lower low on Ethereum. Let me just get rid of that table, because that's not needed whilst I'm streaming, really, is it? Yeah. So Ethereum's already smashed through the lows. Okay. So if we do start to, oh, okay, that's nice. So it's down into daily imbalance. Took previous month low. If we get a break of structure, like I say, and we do start working our way upwards, then after a previous month low raid, ideally we would like a return to a previous month premium and target a daily imbalance. So what have we got up there imbalance wise? It's not as nice on ETH, but we still do have a couple of little imbalances if we can get back up there. And obviously we have a naked weekly pivot above as well. Matic, I'll have a look at Matic, mate. I will have a look. Yeah, so basically for Ethereum it's pretty similar. If we can start to break structure and get like a bullish breaker, a bullish boss, attack this imbalance. Of course we can still come for these lows. We've got lows we can still come for. That would be what our, actually that might be, how many days back are we there? Is it 116 days, bloody hell. Have we got 90 days? Okay. So yeah, like for me, I'd like a return up there on Ethereum. If we can get a break of structure and start rallying. Obviously it's a monthly level we've taken, a monthly low. So I'd like a daily imbalance, and that's the only one I can see is logically getting to a premium. Okay. Yeah. Control back. See what it's doing. Like I said, I want that low taken, but yeah, it is what it is. So I'd like purge this low, come back up here, and then come for the overall low. That would be nice, I think. Run out these highs. Let's get oh no, not on this. No, idiot, wrong. Yeah, because we've got some equal highs up there at previous week high. I think that would be the dream. A short up here, obviously, yeah. We've got to run on liquidity and rebalance. Try to break out longs, fill shorts. And obviously we've got a nice low to target. And then continue the structure to the downside. How long has this consolidation been? Damn, man, this is quite long, isn't it? So, what is this? This is madness. Okay.
Yeah, I think you would need to compare it to 2017.
Yeah.
Because that 2021 was a fake out, in my opinion.
Yeah, yeah. I just wanted to see, because I remember that was like the first real consolidation I'd seen trading Bitcoin was that like May low. So yeah, I just wanted to, because and that felt like it was forever that we were consolidating, but yeah, I just wanted to compare it to that and see what. Yeah, for me, like that's my long-term goals on Bitcoin. We've obviously, we don't have, like I say, we've got this run here, and we've got this imbalance, but there is also, I'll mark it out now. Like we don't have to get anywhere near that high. So yeah. So we took the high, break down, we get the break structure from it, leads to a break structure. Yeah. We don't have, yeah, like I said, we don't have to return to premium of this range. There is always that, which if we set a new low, then obviously that would be a return to premium of the last daily price swing to the downside. So yeah, that's a potential. I'd obviously, in fact, I will add a couple of alerts because I've got a habit of deleting my analysis and then forgetting to trade Bitcoin at all. I'll get carried away with Forex. Don't like you. Yeah, that one up here. Really? Okay. Anyway. Yeah, I think that's a simple, straightforward plan. Obviously, there are levels to monitor. If we take it and we run up here, then yeah, of course. Monitor it, but I'd really like that as a first one. If we're able to break that, then obviously I wouldn't preset anything at all. Just for example, where is that? Is that NOTE? Yeah. See, that would be if once we take this low, that would be a nice retracement for me. Obviously, this isn't a trade, so please don't think this is a trade, but you'll get what I mean. So we'd be looking for something like that. Longs back up. Again, these are not orders, this is just showing direction. And then, so take low, long back up to a premium, getting short back down to a new low. That's assuming we haven't smashed this low. If we do, then we'd need a new plan. But yeah, I think that's pretty straightforward on Bitcoin. Again, down here, if we do get breaker structure, then yeah, we can look to getting longs. At this old range, we'd look for partials, and then, like I said, they're not trade ideas. Please do not trade them like that. Again, that would be an optimum trade entry short if given. Yeah, I don't think you could ask for a better setup than that. If, like I say, if we raid that and run up, we've got two zones to look for shorts. Well, I'll have a look at. This isn't going to be a long stream today because we are literally this is why I haven't streamed really. because this is all we've done. Like since my last stream, I've done 2 streams, and both times this is the 3rd one. We've just been within this range, so I've been waiting for this low. I did want a run up to here, obviously didn't quite get it. But yeah, I hope that was that clear for all you guys. Anyone got any questions? Pop them in the chat for me, and then we'll look at some of the assets. Is that clear?
Yeah, I mean, there's not much to do besides the news drop. It's just boring.
Yeah, the only thing I could really do is try and plan for the future. Think what levels we could possibly look to target going forward. It's a bit difficult, like I said. You'd expect, like I said, Bybit's taking this, so you'd expect whether these exchanges need to take it or not, we will see. But until we get some more movement, like the move was to already be short and have taken profit probably at this low or these equal lows if we get them. But for anybody that's not positioned on crypto, like I'm in no trades on crypto whatsoever. All I can literally do is plan forward and just see what happens. I've got levels that I'm willing to trade if we get there. If we don't get there, then yeah, I don't really care. If we keep dropping, then yeah, I'm not really that fussed. I'll wait until we do bottom. But I think them to me are the logical levels within this local range. Then obviously if we break up, we break up. But all you can do is have alerts at levels of interest and have a plan. And for me, I think this would be logical. Like there'll be, once we run this, depending on how far we drop, run it, and then yeah, we've got a few targets to the upside. We will have a look for Matic. Let me find it. I will find it. What exchange is that? I want Matic Perp, really. So that was where I expected us to come to. Let me just delete everything so I can see properly. Okay, so that's the weekly. I want the monthly. Yeah, I'd expect lower. Right, so let's just have a look, shall we? I really hate crypto. Took previous week low. No rally off of it though, did we? So we've just dropped. You're asking me to look at terrible assets. I would have liked to rally off a previous week low, if I'm honest. not coming, so obviously tagged the order block, dropped. Yeah, we're going lower. No need to apologise, mate. Listen, it's one of them things, isn't it? I'd personally like lower, mate. Like for me, I'll just, yeah, let's have a look. Right. Small imbalance there, but that's it really, isn't it? Until you get all the way down to, obviously we've got that's the extreme of the move. We took the low. We did impulse away and eventually break structure. So is that, we got okay. Yeah, not yet. I don't think we get there yet. I'd like that myself, mate. Yeah, of course, mate. I'll have a look at RV. Yeah, I'd like previous month low taken on this and into that imbalance. Obviously, we've got a daily imbalance. As you can see, it is just at a discount. Yeah, that's where I'd like tagging, mate. If we can get down there, then I'd probably look for a long backup. But overall, like, I'm bearish on everything, so I'd like everything to go down. Hide them pivots. But yeah, like that imbalance there. And then obviously there is one last. But this is like literally so high term time frame. So it's gonna do my overall that didn't see good a new swing, did it? Yeah, for me, mate, I'd like previous month low taken. Because, yeah, if we can run that out, then I'd potentially, and then obviously just below that we've got the fair value gap. Got a couple of imbalances there. If we could drop into that sort of area, but yeah, like my bias would probably be down. I'd be interested if we actually got that. It would be a monthly S2. Pivot. Tag the weekly pivot. Yeah. I would really like that. If this could, like I say, we are moving down. If we could, assuming we don't, which I wouldn't like, assuming we don't raid that and then rally from there, I'd like previous month low. But then again, if Bitcoin rallies, this will likely rally, and that's nowhere near previous month low yet. So maybe just raid that. But overall, mate, I would like lower prices on Matic. This is on my list of like. I would probably buy some spot if we got a decent enough price on it. But there are no real. Yeah. Right, locally, within this range, I think that would be nice. Raid previous month low and look for longs back up to a premium. XRP. Do you know what? I used to love trading alts and crypto in general. I'll have to find it. Oh wow. Nice. Yeah. I highlighted that in one of the streams a while back. I'd like that level. Obviously come into that. And just delete everything. This is actually good, isn't it, compared to everything else? Yeah, that's a lot better than some of the alts. What was that drop today? Okay, that's 9%. Okay. Filled that imbalance. Again, locally you'd think it would go up with Bitcoin raiding the lows and Ethereum taking previous month low. If they reclaim it, like for me on this, if we can raid previous week low, that would have been nice. What's this? FTX. Who was it? Do you know if any of the other exchanges took previous week low with XRP? What have we got? Binance or... See, that would have been... No, it didn't, did it? You fuckers, man. I would have really, really liked... Because obviously... On the 4 hour... Raid, boss, retest, boss, retest. I would have much preferred if we would have took previous. Yeah, shit. That's annoying. Like if we had taken. Previous week low, then I would have been expecting a run back up to the imbalance. Like, that would be really nice. Get back up to premium. Got 4 hour imbalance. Ah, that's annoying. That's really annoyed me actually. Yeah, because if we would have taken that, then normally you'd expect take a weekly low, reclaim it, break structure. You'd expect a run back to premium and target a 4 hour fair value gap off a previous week low. As I'm sure Jocko can attest to. But like I said, we didn't take previous week low. What are we doing then? So close. Yeah, so we drop, rebalance. Yeah, we might not take the low, but if we get back up here, fill the imbalance, weekly pivot retest, I'd probably look for shorts. That would be nice. Why couldn't it have just taken it? Right, let's... Yeah. We did a good job of filling everything, and then we displace. We break structure. We return, we leave a swing high, we don't. With an imbalance above, we break down. Yeah, I'd actually really like a run back up to here. And then if we get up there, break structure now, look for shorts. Bit annoying. Right. Yeah, fill the daily imbalance. So why do we need to go higher? We don't, do we? We want lower. I want lower. Yeah. If we can get back up there, mate, I wouldn't mind looking for a short setup. I know we've got a block here, but again, like them two lows, stack the liquidity below it, retail support, run up, and then run hard for him and not give him a chance to get out. That's what I'd be hoping for and look for. I think the long might have already been missed. Again, did a good job of rebalancing there. Like personally, I couldn't open longs down here because of how close we come to previous week low. Yeah, I wouldn't want to end up being liquidity unless I was looking for like scalps off based off lower term time frames. But if we can get back up here, then I would, yeah, I'd be looking for a short up here. But the thing is though, it is like compared to other assets, it's so far like at a premium of previous month levels. So yeah, for me that's what I want, mate. I'd literally be looking to short this back down. I'd have been more confident if we had a raided previous week low, run back up, then I would have been way more confident, but yeah, even still. I've got something in my eye. So we've tagged that imbalance actually, haven't we? Yeah. So we have tagged this 4-hour imbalance. Yeah, for a short I'd want it up here. Go cook some pasta. Okay. Enjoy your pasta. Right. Let me just... Jesus. Let me find... Oh, I haven't got my glasses. Wow. Wheat low. Low, high, low, lower high. What comes next? Lower low. So that's the current low, isn't it? Just try to see what we've got, mate. Try and have a look at what, okay. So we break structure, we leave the imbalance. We come back, imbalance, new high. Makes sense. Again, break, imbalance, come back, wick the fair value gap, new high. Makes sense. But we fail to set a higher high. Right, that's our pricing. Our high to our low. We fail to set a new high. We have a breaker structure with displacement, fair value gap and breaker, new low, grind, raid, displacement boss. Okay, so what have we come down to? We've got a raid, we've taken the low. Right, so now we're working within this price range and we're going to be targeting a new low. Previous week, let me have a look. Key levels. Right, previous month low, daily fair value got our premium from here to here. Okay, so this is what I would like. Yeah, because that's previous month high, isn't it? That's August high. Right, so above there. Right, KB. The fact we've taken that low, let me just get down on there. Okay, so that was a lower low, was it? Where's the previous month low there? Yeah. Right. I would personally like to return back up here. We run the lows. Take the imbalance. If we can break structure, that would be such a nice. But that would of course mean Bitcoin dragging it up and my theory for Bitcoin playing out. But overall, I would like I would like this low, mate. That's my overall goal. A new low. Right, if we look at it structurally, yeah, right. I'd like this low taken. Obviously, no financial advice. Yeah, I don't really like the crypto markets. I prefer to trade forex and indices. They're a lot cleaner, but now that we've taken that low, if we can start breaking structure, then yeah, that'd be the the first level I would monitor. I wouldn't want to get that high. Not sure I'd want to get that high. Italian CBDC. Right. Just check where the rejected the monthly pivot, bounce on S2. R1 run would be so nice. If we could get up there, then I would, yeah. I think that would be a nice zone to look for shorts, around about R1. But yeah, you would think structurally, obviously this is our low. It didn't get, it just gave us a lower high. So I'd like a new low. Yeah, new low. I think overall that would structurally that would make sense. And then obviously if we were to take out, is that really? If we do take previous month high, then we've got imbalances above, but I wouldn't want that high anyway. Like for me, if that liquidity grab, if we can 3 o'clock, yeah, if we can rally and break structure, then I shorts up here would be really nice. Assuming this obviously holds, but you'd obviously drop to lower term time frames when we get there. So I've set an alert. Yeah. Did it actually go? He asked me to look at a coin and then just runs off as soon as I look at it. Nice. Love it. Right. Oh, I need to hide that. But yeah, of course, if we can get back up there with Bitcoin, like 19.7, if we can get back up there, we've got obviously would be a retest of the monthly pivot. After bouncing on S1, get back up there, I'd look for shorts. If I get stopped out or we don't get any break of structure, no lower term time frame entry, then next level I'd want take out the highs into the imbalance, and from there short it down. But there's no reason why, given the setup, I can't look for a long. I'm just concerned that previous week low was front run like that. Anybody else got anything they want me to look at? They're the only areas for Bitcoin that I would be interested in trading. Yeah. Anybody else before I go? And no worries, mate. I apologise for not streaming the last week or so. The stress I've had, you all know anyway. I've been putting it in the chat. No worries, mate. I appreciate you being here, joining the stream. I'm going to get back to doing some London Open streams, some live forex trading, and then yeah, we'll be back from now on to our weekly Bitcoin streams, and I can focus a bit more on. Like I said, I'll probably start trading crypto a bit more now. Now that I've got more time, and I'm the last few weeks with my MS has been really bad, and then obviously my dog nearly died, so I've been upset. But yeah, I hope that's clear with Bitcoin. Did you see that, KB? Yeah, them levels on Aave. Why couldn't we have taken it? Structural high. So that'll be like M10 boss level. I'm just trying to see if we got anything really. Okay, broke the high. Like I said, I don't like that we didn't take previous week low, although Bybit did. So, do you trust Bybit? And we did get, that is pretty close, isn't it? How far did we come off it? 335. No, it wasn't 335. 142.5. Okay, so we come $12 away from previous month low. Yeah, I'd like to retest the monthly pivot. If we can get back up there, then I would. Yeah, I'd have to short. Just purely based on obviously daily imbalance. We've got a monthly pivot on a daily imbalance. If we're fortunate enough to get that, I will short. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Can't be right all the time. But I would like to see 20k holders resistance and send us lower. Even like I say, their levels are. Yeah, I'm happy with that. That'd obviously probably be maybe tomorrow or weekend pump, and then give it all back at the start of next week would be ideal, wouldn't it? Run up to the monthly pivot. Yeah, I could hack that. Right. Unless anybody wants to type in chat with something else for me to do. It's actually I'll go through. Alright, let's have a little bit of fun then. Took low. That's a 20-day high in it, yeah. So right. What are we on there? 42. It's going to be a 60-day high in it. Yeah. Annoying. It's going to be a high in it. Yeah. Previous month high. Daily imbalance. Daily imbalance. So that's pricing. Return to that would be nice.
Okay, I'm back.
Alright, mate. I'm just just thinking about where could SPX be going.
SPX is indices, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And you look for New York setups, and they are probably the same like on Forex, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Today was obviously today was a
Yep.
pain in the ass. So because I walked away for CPI, like I thought, I honestly I sat there and thought to myself, shall I trade it? But I wanted to be sensible. I would like at least a return to 36.52. That would be really nice.
Yeah, but looking on the weekly, like where do you think it could possibly drop? Or like, yeah, we have here a decent zone right now, starting from 34,000 to 3K.
Mm,
Yeah, this like accumulation.
the thing is, I think it's. I'm bearish. I think it's going deeper, right? So all I will do is I will just constantly target. If I'm shorting for a lower high, I will just target a new low. Like, yeah, I'm not going to try and guess where we're going to go. There's a few like higher term time frame levels above that I'd really like, but I don't think we get. I don't think we get that high for the other ones. But if we can get to 36.50, I don't know. I need longer to analyse really. I've already I posted loads of analysis on the Discord. Yeah, we will see. Now that we've taken them lows, I'd like obviously go higher. Yeah, and that's my opinion on Bitcoin. Right, I think I'm done. Unless you've got some you want to talk about, Cookie.
No, not really. Everything is clear, I think.
Yeah, I think it is. It's
Not much to add.
no. Obviously, anything can happen, but I think they're the most logical things. I'm slightly annoyed we didn't take previous month low, but in all honesty, $12 from the low. Yeah, I can deal with that. And then assuming we can get back, like the optimum trade entry is just beautiful, man. Like of this last price swing, the fact we've got the monthly pivot inside a daily imbalance. And then obviously order block raid, took the high, broke structure with displacement. Same as that though, isn't it? Yeah. Took the high. Like I say, them equal highs are the only reason why I'd be slightly concerned if we ran back up here about taking that out into the imbalance, purely because of the equal highs. But again, like I said, I just monitor lower term time frames, see what we get when we get there. I'm in no rush to jump into trades. I'd rather be looking for longs down here, obviously. It's just a bit with that the way the way that dropped at 8:30 was just structurally it's not really left anything great, has it? We've had no displacement to the upside really yet. Okay, so that could maybe move up. Filled a little imbalance after we got chopped from it.
The breaker is waiting.
Yeah, exactly, mate. That's what I mean. After we dropped so harsh, it's like even if you wanted to look for longs, it's like you can't. Like, the longs need to come down at a lower level, or once we broke the breaker and then retraced, maybe. I don't know. It's late. I've been up a long time. I'm tired, man. Might go and play some FIFA.
Yeah, same.
My pack looks terrible. How that? Do you know what? I'm in like this group where we on Discord where we'll sit in there, right, and we'll chat whilst playing FIFA. Do you know every single one of them in the group with me, right, have packed Inform Haaland this week? All three, all of them. Me? Do you know what I've packed this week? Heung-min Son.
Oh,
That's my best
I mean,
player.
he's good.
Yeah, but he's not Inform bloody Haaland though, is it?
No, the second day FIFA came out, I unpacked Mbappe, so
Tradable.
no, not tradable.
Oh mate, shit.
But still, I play with him. He's amazing.
Do you buy FIFA points?
No, I just do
Right,
every
that's
SBC.
it. I give up on
It's
life.
7 PM.
Mate, I do every single SBC, right? And every night at 6 p.m. I'm there putting FIFA points on.
Oh, damn.
And do you know what my best pack pull is? Heung-min Son. Oh no, tell a lie actually. I packed that Road to the Knockout Kanate, the Liverpool centre back. I packed him.
Oh,
Untradeable.
but he will get some upgrades for sure.
Yeah, he's not. And I packed him and the Wan-Bissaka card in the same pack.
The Wan-Bissaka is good.
Yeah, I'm using both of them now in my team.
You have a Premier League squad probably, right?
No, I've got a hybrid, mate. I've got that French AC Milan goalkeeper,
Uh-huh.
Magnan or whatever his name is, Magnan. I've got him. I've got that Gosens at left back. You know his SBC card or objective
Yeah.
card. I've got that at left back with Upamecano and Kanate at centre back. Wan-Bissaka right back. I've got a midfield three of Casemiro, Pogba, and
Is Pogba good? I think he's a bit slow, right?
he's lengthy.
Ah, okay.
He's lengthy, mate. So if you whack a hunter on him,
That makes up for everything.
yeah, trust me, right? I'm running. So my midfield: Casemiro, Pogba, and Goretzka, because I packed untradeable Goretzka. So I've got all three of them. They're all three are lengthy. One's got a shadow, two have got hunters. So yeah, my midfield's sorted. My attack is Anthony, Heung-min Son, and Darwin Núñez.
Nunes is broken a bit. I don't like him.
Mate,
He's always scoring against me.
mate, it's because they're lengthy.
Yeah.
I don't know why they've done it. They've ruined the game, I think, because now you've got players like you'd think explosive would be the one to have. Do you know what I mean? And I've noticed if you do like a bull roll or a scoop turn and accelerate, and you've got an explosive player, watch how quick they come out of the animation and burst off. That's why I've got I did have two explosive wingers, but now obviously I've got Heung-min Son, and he's nothing but controlled, which isn't great.
I mean, it's a good change because like from every FIFA, it was the same players who had like 95 pace.
Yeah,
Right
yeah,
now, like Lewandowski or Benzema are back to play because they have lengthy and they are pretty decent, right?
yeah. It's also you've got to like factor in like Harry Kane has never been usable. Like he's literally one of the best strikers in the Premier League, and he's never been usable because of his build on the game. But now that he's lengthy, same with Haaland. Haaland's normally useless on FIFA. He's horrible to use, but yeah, this year it's one of them. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go and play some FIFA. I want to try and get in.
I
Oh,
will send you my squad on the DMs. Maybe we can play on the weekend,
yeah.
sparring.
Oh, look at that. Recessed. Anything below us, I would still like previous week low. Mm, that's like you say, we've got breakers above, which is concerning. Order block. Boom. Smash. Suppose we've got like a little 15-minute imbalance there, but around about 18.3, 350. We've obviously got the low formed. Could we drop into that? Drop tag. I never like it trying to look for longs after a move like that because structurally it's like, where do we break structure? Obviously, look what we have got. But if you look, no candle body was able to close above that high. It's just all wicks. Just drawing up. Mm. Got a swing low there with that imbalance. Will bring us back. We've got order. Not really nice, is it? Obviously, we have tagged it because. I'd actually like higher prices. Especially after a move like that. Like, if we can get back up there, then that'll give us a nice chance to get a grind up, rally on the weekend, just to wreck them all come next week. I think that would be the dream. Right, what time is it? 3:30. We've gone on an hour and a quarter. Yeah, I think that'll do. Yeah, like I said, they're the levels I'm going to watch for a higher term time frame. If I can get a long down here, I'll target. Obviously, take partials back in this consolidation up here, and then look for shorts, hedge. 2 short zones, 19, 7, 20, 20 and a half, 2500. And then assuming we haven't tagged S2, look to get back down there. Right, that is me done. I'll be around about the Discord. If anyone's trading Killzone, London Killzone tomorrow, give me a shout.
Me.
We can jump on in. I might screen share, look for some setups. But yeah, take it easy. Have a good evening. Trade safe. Don't get wrecked. And yeah, assuming no one's got any questions though. There's only like 3 of you left in here anyway. Everyone all good? Jocko, you good? Right. Catch you guys later.
Get you by.
Right, guys, that's me done. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.